Going to build a histogram to look at some of our data. So just like we've done before, we're going to start off by making a copy of our data. I'm going to call this lesson 3. And what I want to do is I want to look at what do these fall into in terms of bins. So if I select grams of sodium and I insert a chart, I can see I have a column chart. What I want to do is I want to find my histogram. So the histogram is going to drop it into different bins. And you can see right here that it has kind of a random, it looks like, grouping of the bin size. So I should be able to customize it. If I click from auto, and if I go to, let's say I want to look at bin size 5, that doesn't look quite right, bin size 10. So every 10 grams of sodium, maybe if I go to 25, I just have to kind of play around with the value that I think is appropriate that gives me some information. You can see if I go too large, if I go to 50, it groups my data and I don't get kind of that refinement that I'm looking for. So that's really all you need to do is you're going to do that multiple times. So maybe you're interested in um, sugar, right? You want to know how much sugar there is. If you select that column and then you insert a chart, and not a column chart, but a histogram. And again, to customize, you click on histogram, and then instead of this, I want to click something that where 10 is too large, right? Maybe 2 gives me a little bit more data, maybe even 1. Again, it's going to depend on what the metric is. That'll give you a sense of what makes the most sense for your data.